Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 450 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1984 Monte Carlo Super Sport. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Started with the late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, brand new timing cover, new balancer, brand new water pump, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. We have the brass freeze plugs in there, proper oil pan for the Monte Carlo SS. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Aluminum cylinder heads are on there. Roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Aluminum intake manifold. Thermostat housing with the 2 extra coolant ports if necessary. Thermostats in there. Real nice Chevrolet blue valve covers. The chrome air cleaner with a washable element. Quick fuel carburetor. Throttle return spring, throttle cable, ball and bracket, the HEI distributor in there, all set in place. Proper flex plate, proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy and the customer's transmission. High torque starter, chrome dipstick and tube, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty, manifold vacuum fittings, chrome dual feed fuel line going up to the quick fuel carburetor, electric choke wire, all the heavy-duty Russell fuel lines with the high-flow fuel pump with the gas filter. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, completely dialed in and tuned. Carburetor adjusted and set, timing set, ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.